Hello, in front of me I've got VIVO Y22S. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. In the beginning let's go to settings, enter display and brightness, and right here you've got all settings for your display. Let's start with the top of the list where you can change brightness level of the display manually or via adaptive brightness. Next you can enable or disable eye protection and adjust it and schedule it. Then you can enable or disable dark mode, and also you can schedule it. Next you can change screen timeout between 15 seconds and 30 minutes. Enable or disable auto rotate screen. Change color temperature. Font and display size. Font style. Next you can adjust status bar preferences like notification method, display real-time network speed, and battery percentage. Then you can set screensaver, select when to start, and enable it right away. Then you can change screen refresh rate between smart switch 60 Hz and 90 Hz. Next, you can manage full screen display of apps and hide notch in certain apps. And that's it for display settings. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.